Hello everyone, this video is about civil wedding in the Philippines, Filipino-Canadian couple edition. So in my first video, a lot of people get confused. Paano nyo to ginawa? Ganyan-ganyan, blah blah and so on. So, para mabilis, ganito lang. This video is only applicable for people who will go in the Consulate of Cebu in person. In person to siya, hindi siya via mailing. So I'm sharing you this experience because for me, this is much easier to obtain the legal capacity to marry. So we all know that each municipal have different requirements, but after all those requirements, one thing is what we needed for sure is to get a legal capacity to marry for the Canadian partner. So first, what do we need to do? Obtain the 3 forms. Where do you get the 3 forms? You will get the 3 forms in the Consulate of Cebu. Message this email address and they will send you the soft copy of the 3 forms that you needed. If not, I can help you because you know I was able to obtain the soft copies. But before that, kailangan nyo ng 3 copies. So 3 copies. The first one is the statutory declaration form. So, statutory declaration form, you need to fill up all the information via handwritten, not computerized. And then, statutory form, you need to local notarize it. Where do you local notarize it? In the Philippines. Second one is the notary services form. Notary services form have 2 pages. Remember that, 2 pages. What do you need to do? Fill up the forms via handwritten. The third one, the credit card authorization form. What do you need to do? Fill up all the required information, handwritten only, not computerized. You need to have a certified true copy of your Canadian partner, passport, or any government IDs, but passport is much preferable. Passport and the birth certificate. So that's it. After you were able to do all of that, proceed to booking an appointment in Consulate of Cebu. Here is the information, the email address, and the contact number. So again, another question, how are you going to book an appointment? Of course, you have to message them on their email. You have to contact them on their email address and say that you need an appointment to get the legal capacity to marry. It's up to you how you construct a sentence. And then once you message the email address of the consulate in Cebu, it will not take too long for them to reply. So they will give you a schedule right away. So before you proceed to the date of the appointment, you need to have all those documents be ready. Kasi they will not cater you if all of the requirements are lacking. And how can you say about your experience going to the Consulate of Cebu? So I'm gonna answer that is it was easy, less hassle. Waited 20 minutes to get our affidavit in lieu for legal capacity to marry. Simple as that. Again, this video is for our Filipino-Canadian couples who is trying to get married here in the Philippines and getting the legal capacity to marry. So legal capacity to marry is much easy for me to do in person and to go to the Consulate of Cebu because for me that experience is less hassle and it doesn't take an hour to wait for that. So any questions that you needed, you can comment below on the video so I can assist you any further. Oh, before I leave, again another question, how do you get the soft copies of the 3 forms? Of course, you have to email the consulate in Cebu. Here is the information and they will submit you the soft copies. Another question, I was not able to download it. Ang hirap because there is a certain required of Adobe Reader. I can help you with that. Message me in the comment section because I was able to obtain a soft copy of those 3 forms. So I hope this video will help you get a legal capacity and I hope these steps will make you, easy to get all the requirements right away. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye!